Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the sound volumes on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, you need to scroll down, find the option called sound or sounds and vibration and tap on it. And here we have ringtone and workout broadcast option. Tap on ringtone first, and we can adjust the ringtone volume by swiping on the slider. Then we can swipe right on the screen to go back, select workout broadcasts, and here we can adjust the volumes for the broadcast when you're working out. Basically, you will have the broadcast about your progress and stuff like that, and you can adjust the volumes for them. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volumes on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.